This is Reina with WTI. When you are in the kitchen cooking and cutting your veggies, you need something practical to toss the compost garbage or your veggie waste. And this little bin is so handy. I use it every time that I have to cook. The bin is made of plastic and silicone, and it's not too big, it's not too small. The size is just right, so it doesn't get in the way. It's easier to use than you can imagine. And it can be easily hanging on the kitchen door, the cabinet door. And I love the collectible and the hangable design because save a lot of space. So whether you're looking for a convenient way to manage your kitchen waste or need a reliable trash can any place in your house, this is super nice to have. It comes with the garbage bag storage design, or you can put it like that, like me. And that is my point of view.